Hello, this video is to acquaint students with the Register for Classes functionality in Bannister Service 9 registration. This is the landing page for Bannister Service 9 registration. For this demonstration, I will be using test data. Please note that the class test data is not the actual class offering for the term. To register for classes, click on the Register for Classes link. Select your term and then click the Continue button. You're going to enter your search criteria. So I'm going to add Rhetoric 327, Section 1. So I'm going to use my basic search criteria to search for that course. If I need more additional information, I can click on Advanced Search, which will display more criteria. Click the Add button. The course will display in the two panels below with the status of pending. To add more course sections, click the Search Again button. Clear out your results and enter in your new search criteria. This time I'm going to do a search for USF 300. Click the Add button. Now the course section has been added to the two panels below with the status of pending. When finished, click the Submit button in the lower right corner to add the classes. The status shows as registered for both sections. I'm now officially registered for those two classes. To drop a class, click the Action drop-down list and choose Drop. For this example, I will be dropping USF 300. In the Action drop-down list, click Drop, click the Submit button. The section is now officially dropped. Click the Submit button again to clear this out from the summary panel. Students have other ways to register for classes. Students can register for classes either by CRN or from a saved registration plan. To register for classes by CRN, click the Enter CRNs tab and enter in the CRN of the course section that you wish to add. In this example, I will be adding the CRN for Nursing 120, Section 3. The CRN is 20003. If I need to add another CRN, I can click the Add Another CRN link here. When finished, click the Add to Summary button. The section now appears in the lower two panels with the status of pending. When finished, click the Submit button. I'm now officially registered for Nursing 120, Section 3. Students can also add classes using a saved registration plan. To do so, click on the Plans tab. Here it displays my two registration plans, my Plan B, which is my preferred plan, and my Plan A. Clicking on here, you can see the two courses that I added to my registration plan, my Plan A. Students can then choose to either add specific sections saved to a registration plan or to add all sections from a plan. In this example, I'll be adding all sections. So I'll click the Add All button. The two sections appear in the lower two panels with the status of pending. Hit the submit button. I am now registered for my two classes from my registration plan. If I need to change the number of units for a variable units course, I can do so on the Schedule and Options tab. So I'll click here, where I have Rhetoric 327 set up as a variable units course section. I know that it's variable units because the number of units is hyperlinked. So this can be changed. I click in here and I can adjust the number of units. So I would change this from 0 to 2. Click the submit button in the lower right corner. All right, and I am now officially registered for the course section for 2 units. Students also have a new feature available to them. It's called conditional add and drop. And it's for students who need to add and drop classes at the same time. So students can use this feature to direct Banner to drop a class only if the adding of the new class is successful. Let's see an example. I am currently registered for Nursing 120 Section 3, but I want to switch to Section 4. So this is how I would do it. I would use the Find Classes or the Enter CRNs to search for Nursing 120 Section 4. Here's Nursing 120 Section 4. It currently says it's full, but I'm going to attempt to add a class anyways. So click the Add button. It now displays here in the lower two panels with the status of pending. For Nursing 120 Section 3, I would choose Drop. So I want to drop Section 3 and add Section 4. Before clicking the Submit button, I would check the box that says Conditional Add and Drop. Click the Submit button. And so I received an error for Section 4 because Section 4 is closed. If I hover over the status message, you will see the message that says Closed Section. So this is the reason why I received the error message that the requested changes cannot be made to my schedule. Because I was not able to add Section 4 successfully, Banner kept me registered for Section 3. So this status of registered did not change. If I did not have conditional add and drop chat, then Banner would have dropped me from Section 3. So this is a new feature called conditional add and drop that's made available to students. To clear this out, click the Submit button again. And now I'm back to my original summary of registered classes. For more information on Banner Service 9 registration, please visit myusf.usfca.edu/registration/forms or email the registrar's office at registrar@usfca.edu. Thank you.